Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I'm going to be going over something very simple that you can do on Shopify, which is it's not obvious how you do it. So I'm going to show you or walk you through how to create a subscription page. And what I mean by that is like a page where you can send people to subscribe to the email list. Okay, so let's get into it. So you're at the Shopify dashboard. You go to online store. You go to pages. You wait for it all to load, because if you do it too quickly, it takes a while. And then you add page. So you add your page. And then you name it newsletter. And then you save it. Okay. And then you go to themes. And then you customize. You're customizing. And then you click the home page, that area. Then you click pages, you go to the right. Pages. Okay. Weird. Pages. Okay. Okay, so just search whatever name of the page is. So this is newsletter. So then you click newsletter. Hold on. I gotta go back. Pages. I need to rename the title to be better. Newsletter 2023. Okay. Theme. Customize. Search online store. Newsletter 2023. And then you click the add section button. And then you can add whatever you want. So in this case, I want to add newsletter. And so I click the envelope. And then the stuff shows up. And then you click save, and that's how you create a newsletter page. Okay. Let's see what else we can do with the page. What else we can add? So add a section. Alright, so blog posts, featured product, collection list, custom HTML, featured collection, featured content, featured gallery. Okay, wait. There's one more thing we have to do. Okay, so your page is good to go. It's ready. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is maybe you want to add it to your header. So how do you do that? Okay. So then you go to home page, and then you go to the left side here. Hold on. Let me go back for a sec. Customize. Oh, wait, no, that's not how you do it. Never mind. Okay. So your new page, you go to the sales channels, you go to navigation, and then you have a footer menu and a main menu. Then you click on main menu, add menu item, and then you name it whatever you want. So this would be newsletter 2, and then you find the page, newsletter, and you click add, and that's how it ends up on your header. So yeah, that's how you create a newsletter page. If there's any other type of pages that I can think of to add, like the add section buttons that I find something interesting to add, I will walk you guys through it. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.